Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a deep wave lace front wig that delivers volume, versatility, and a natural look, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the 32-inch deep wave lace front wig, 200% density, HD transparent lace, and made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair. But does it live up to the claims? Let's dive in. This wig boasts 12 A-grade human hair, which means it's sourced from high-quality donors for a soft, bouncy, and full-bodied texture. With 200% density, it promises thick, voluminous curls that won't look thin or stringy. The 13x4 lace frontal design allows for multiple styling options: middle part, side part, high ponytail, or even a bun. Plus, it's pre-plucked with baby hairs and features an HD transparent lace meant to blend seamlessly with various skin tones. Installing this wig was straightforward. The average cap size, 21.5 to 22.5 inches, is pretty standard, fitting most head shapes comfortably. It comes with 4 combs and 2 adjustable straps for extra security. Since it's a glueless design, it can be worn without adhesive, but for long wear or a more seamless melt, a little lace glue or spray does help. The lace itself is thin and flexible, making customization easy, though bleaching the knots can enhance the realistic look even further. Now, let's talk about real-world wear. The deep wave texture is stunning, voluminous, defined, and holds up well even after washing. The hair feels soft and natural without excessive tangling or shedding. However, like all deep wave wigs, it requires regular maintenance. A good leave-in conditioner and a wide tooth comb help keep the curls hydrated and frizz-free. While the hair is advertised as tangle-free, deep wave textures do need daily care to maintain their best look. If you're finding this review helpful so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. That way, more wig lovers like you can discover high-quality hair reviews on Beautyistic. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: thick and full. The 200% density gives the wig a luxurious, voluminous look. Soft, high-quality hair. 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair means a natural feel and movement. Versatile styling. You can part it multiple ways or even wear it up. HD transparent lace. Blends well with different skin tone, pre-plucked with baby hairs. Saves time on customization. Cons: deep wave texture needs upkeep. Regular moisturizing and detangling are a must. Lace knots could use bleaching. While pre-plucked, some users may want to bleach the knots for a more natural scalp look. Slight shedding. Not excessive, but present, especially when brushing. In terms of value, the wig justifies its price point with its density, quality, and longevity. While you can find cheaper deep wave wigs, many lack the same fullness and premium lace. However, if you're on a budget, you might consider wigs with slightly lower density, 150%, for a similar effect at a lower cost. Compared to similar wigs, this one stands out for its combination of density and lace quality. Some deep wave wigs come with thicker knots or coarser hair, making them harder to customize. This wig strikes a good balance between fullness and wearability. However, if you prefer a lower maintenance option, a body wave or loose deep wave style might be a better fit. As for longevity, deep wave textures tend to have a shorter lifespan than straight or body wave wigs due to the extra maintenance they require. But with proper care, regular conditioning, detangling, and minimal heat use, this wig can last months without losing its luster. Final verdict? If you love thick, voluminous curls and don't mind the upkeep, this deep wave wig is an excellent choice. The quality of the hair, combined with the HD lace and versatile styling options, makes it a standout option for those who want a natural yet glam look. Just be prepared to maintain the curl pattern to keep it looking fresh. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in this wig, check the comments for the link. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love deep wave wigs, or do you prefer a different texture? Until next time, stay fabulous, stay confident, and keep your hair game strong.